What's up everybody? Just wanted to do a video of the area south of the Turnpike, just east of 301. I was thinking that the area really hasn't done a whole lot, but after comparing it to the first video I did, and then the second video, and then now the third video, now I can really see that they have actually made a big difference. They're moving in fill dirt. I'm going to show you a couple different maps about where the area is going, and you can actually see way in the distance where the village's water tower is, so you'll be able to see how far they plan on going. It's going to be pretty interesting, so check it out. We're going to come up over the trees here and we're heading east, northeast, right just east of 301, and then we're going to turn to the south. You can see this area really clearly on the map. The map I show you of Wildwood in that area, that power line goes straight through all the way down, and then you're going to see this is June 3rd when we took this video. I'll give a link to this video, the one I did June 3rd. There's not quite as much done as there is now. They're actually building it up with a lot of fill dirt and things like that, so you can really tell the difference if you go back and look at the two videos together or side by side. But this is going to be one of the housing areas here, and then we're going to continue south and you can actually see the Coleman area in the distance here once we start turning. But you also have the Fenny area up in the top left here. And as we turn, you're going to see the water tower, the village's water tower. And then you have 301 right here. We're going to spin around this area on the other side of 301. I'm not sure if that's village's property or not, but if you do know, please drop a comment down in the comments section. I'd like to know. We're heading north along 301 here. You can see where they're burning some trees. They were doing that last time that we did the video, but they had many more piles. And then a couple things to think about during this video. They are doing the Water Lily Bridge, which is coming soon. I will link that up in the corner here for you if you want to check that out. Now the Water Lily Bridge is actually going to be put across the Turnpike in about, where are we at? Looks like my watch is dead. So the Water Lily Bridge will be put up in just 3 weeks. They're looking at August 26th, 27th. Like I said, I posted a video about that and I linked it. And in that video, you also will be able to see where the new area, including the urban core, is. So the urban core is like the area where the families of the businesses and employees of the villages are going to live, and they're going to have a new charter school. So you can see as we come north here, the Turnpike is up in the distance. You can see the exit and the on-ramp to it. This road here actually goes into the Fenny area, the dirt road that goes across the top and kind of runs adjacent to the Turnpike and goes right into Fenny.